So, inquiry-based learning enhances student learning by allowing them to explore the topics and materials themselves rather than them just memorizing the facts from the teacher. They build critical thinking and communication when exploring a topic. In Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences, we learn that children learn in many different ways. And I believe that inquiry based learning helps all students who learn differently by allowing them to learn and grow on their own rather than them just hearing the material and being expected to know it after just seeing and hearing the material. In our text, Succeeding with Inquiry in Science and Math Classrooms, we are given many different examples of lesson plans using inquiry-based instruction. I remember going through the text and seeing at least 5 or 6 different lesson plans that gave us all the information and the material and basically play-by-play on how they work. There are also 4 powerful inquiry-based teaching strategies that I would use within my classroom. The first one is structured inquiry, which is along the lines of traditional teaching methods. There's also controlled inquiry, which is done within a time frame established by the teacher. There's guided inquiry, which is when the teacher chooses the topic of questions and then the students are left to develop their own methods of inquiry and processes for moving through concepts. There's also free inquiry, which allows the students to take ownership over their own learning. They get to pick their own topics, their own questions, methods, and goals, and then this just gives them their own basically like a free learning. Like they're able to figure it all out on their own, figure out what they want to learn, how they want to learn it, and how we're going to do that. STEAM education teaches the students more than just math and science. It helps develop a variety of skills. These skills would be media and technology literacy, gives them productivity, social skills, communication, flexibility, initiative, and this all happens through hands-on learning with real-world applications. All these skills are very important to teach children to help them become successful adults in the world. I believe this all starts within the classroom. As I mentioned above, the 4 powerful inquiry-based learning strategies are something I would definitely use within my classroom. But the 2 that I feel are going to make me a better teacher would be the structured inquiry and the also free inquiry. I believe that regardless, students need structure. They need someone to help them understand the material and guide them through their learning when they need it. But I also believe that they're going to learn pretty well with the free inquiry. So I believe they need to pick a topic they're interested in, pick what they want to learn about it, how they're going to learn about it, what all we need to do from there. And then obviously my structured inquiry would come in because I need to help them get there. These are 2 different strategies overall, but students need a variety of learning methods to help broaden their skill performances. I really have enjoyed all the activities we've done over this course. Especially I was able to include my little ones in the projects and the experiments. We had such a good time coming up with these. I would say one of my favorites was when we did the center. My 6-year-old was involved and we created the marshmallow towers and figured out which tower was going to be strongest, and we had a lot of fun doing that. And then my other favorite was this past experiment we did. Me and my 3-year-old, we did a salt volcano, and he just thought that was the coolest thing. It basically turned into like a lava lamp. We just added all these different materials and he just thought it was pretty cool. So overall, I really enjoyed this class. I believe this class definitely is going to help me be a better teacher. It's going to help me how to do more hands-on learning, and I'm excited to use this within my classroom.